Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about what is medical coding. If you are interested in healthcare, this video will help you understand the basics of medical coding in a simple way. So, let's get started. Medical coding is the process of converting medical information into standardized codes. When a patient visits a hospital or clinic, doctors write diagnosis, treatment, procedures, and service in medical records. Now, let's talk about what medical coders do. Medical coders carefully review doctors' notes, lab reports, discharge summaries, and other medical documents. After reviewing these records, they assign the correct medical codes. To do this, they use international coding system. The most commonly used coding systems are ICD, CPT, and HCPCS. ICD codes are used to identify disease and diagnosis. CPT codes are used for medical procedures and services. HCPCS codes are mainly used for medical equipment, supplies, and non physician service. Accuracy is very important in medical coding. If the wrong code is used, it can cause claim rejections, payment delays, or legal problems. That is why medical coders must have good knowledge of medical terms, anatomy, and healthcare rules. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.